In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clone a project from GitHub in Visual Studio Code, commonly referred to as VS Code. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's jump right into it. First, you'll need to visit the GitHub page of the project you want to clone. Once you're there, look for the green code button. When you click on it, you'll see a URL that looks something like this. github.com/username/project.git. Make sure you copy that URL. This is the link we'll use to grab a copy of the project onto your local machine. Now that you have the URL, we need to open the terminal in the folder where you'd like to save this project on your computer. So navigate to that folder using your File Explorer. Once you are in the right directory, hold down the Shift key, right-click anywhere within that folder, and you should see an option that says Open in Terminal or Open in Command Prompt. Go ahead and select that. With the terminal open, we now want to launch Visual Studio Code from this location. In the terminal window that just opened, simply type code and then press Enter. This command will open VS Code right inside the folder you've just chosen, making it easier for you to manage your files. Once VS Code kicks into gear, you'll want to make sure you have a terminal open within the application itself. Just click on Terminal in the top menu, and from the drop-down, select New Terminal. This will open up a new terminal window at the bottom of VS Code. Now it's time for the fun part, actually cloning the project. In the newly opened VS Code terminal, you're going to type the command git clone, followed by the URL you copied earlier. So it will look something like this: git clone github.com/username/project.git. After you've typed that, just hit Enter. Do keep in mind that in order to run this command, Git needs to be installed on your computer. If it's not installed yet, no worries. Just pause this video, install Git, and then come back to continue. Once the cloning process is complete, you'll see a new folder appear in the directory that contains all the files from the GitHub project. Now to start working on it, go back to the top menu in VS Code, click on File, and then select Open Folder. In the window that pops up, navigate to that newly created project folder, select it, and click on Select Folder. And there you have it, you're all set up to start coding. You now have the project cloned from GitHub and opened in VS Code, ready for you to dive in. Remember, creating a local copy of a project is a great way to experiment and learn without affecting anything on the original repository. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe